Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Abdul Halim bin Abdul Razak and today I'm going to present about what is application software. Application software refers to computer programs that carry out specific tasks for a user. Application software is used when a user interacts directly with a piece of software. Application software only exists to help the user complete specific tasks. Example of application software include Microsoft Word and Excel, as well known with browsers like Firefox and Google Chrome. Function of the application software. These are the sum of the function of the application software. First, application software is used for healthcare application for seamless connectivity and quick response. It's also managing information and data in an organization. It's managing and checking document across. Application software also used for educational purpose such as learning management systems and e-learning system. Application software developed for visual and video for presentation purposes. It also can use emails, text messaging, audio, and video conferencing involved in presentation. Lastly, the function of application software is management in accounting, finance, and payroll, helping the HR department and other businesses. Need of the application software. First, it helps the user in completing specified tasks. Application software is designed with the user in mind. They help the end user with specialized tasks in a variety of industry, including education, business, and entertainment. Microsoft Word, for example, is popular application software that allows users to create, edit, delete, and do other tasks with Word documents. Next, manage and manipulates data. Business company utilize application software to manage and manipulate employees, customers, and others' database. Enterprise resource management system and customer relationship management system are two common examples of application software. Lastly, it also allows users to effectively organize information. Individuals users can use application software to efficiently create and handle large amount of data. For example, Microsoft Excel is a popular application software that allows users to manage data sheets. The types of the application software. First, freeware. It is, as the name suggests, provide without charge. Obtaining gratis application software through the internet is one of the options. Contrarily, this program forbids you from altering it or charging a fee for sharing it. The example includes Google Chrome, Firefox, and Adobe PDF. Next, shareware. Users receive a free trial of this, typically with a time-limited deal. Customers will need to pay if they want to keep using this application software. Shareware products such include Adobe Reader, WinZip, and antivirus software. Third, open source. It's enabling editing and even feature addition. This could be accessible for no cost or at a cost. Moodle and the Apache Web Server are examples of open source application software. And lastly, closed source. It contains the vast bulk of the modern application software package. The source code is typically protected by intellectual property rights or patent, and these are typically charged. Restrictions are typically attached to it. A few examples of operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Adobe Flash Player, Windows, and Mac OS. Advantage and disadvantage of application software. Advantage of application software. First, it meets every client particular requirements and need. The client recognizes that they must use one explicit programming to complete the task because it is planned explicitly for one reason. Second, businesses that are associated with particular application can restrict access and consider ways to monitor their operation. And third, standard updates from engineers for licensed application programming can be obtained using general logic of health. Developing application software can be quite expensive for developers, but this can have a significant effect on their budget and income, especially if an excessive long amount of time is spent on a product that is not typically worthy. Application software that is frequently used by many of us is vulnerable to infection by a bug or other malicious initiative. Difference between system software and application software. System software. The main purpose of this software is to manage the resource available in the system. It serves as an effective forum for the execution of application software, while application software designed to achieve a certain set of tasks. Second, system software is documented in a low-level programming language like machine code or assembly language, while application software is composed in a high-level language like Java, C++, .NET, or PHP. Third, usually when the computer is switched on, system software begin to run and stop when the computer is switched off, while when user requests application software runs according to the task it is assigned. Next, without system software, a computer system cannot even activate, while user-specific application software is definitely not required to run the system. And lastly, the system software has a wide scope of capabilities, while the objective of the application software to achieve or perform a certain task. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.